Hello friends, did you know that you can change the boot logo of your Sinosmart unit? Welcome to this new video. I prepared some files on this USB stick, so let's plug it in. And we go to the settings. We go to factory and we use the password. We can go to the logo setting. You can see the Android logo that pops up by default, but we can also choose your own images. For the logos, it's important that you choose a file size of 720 by 1280 pixels. And the image has to be sideways, so it is shown upright right now, but on the PC it has to be turned 90 degrees clockwise. Otherwise your image shows like this. So turn the image on your PC screen and then it shows correctly like this. Now let's set this logo for right now and go back to the menu. You can see it's a little bit offset to the side. I'm checking with the engineers how we can solve this problem and show it in the center, but also the Android logo itself is off center. Now you can also change this animation to something of your own likings, and therefore you have to put an MP4 file on the USB stick with max 10 seconds of video. And then we go to the applications. So let's leave CarPlay, we go to the applications and we go to boot animation. From this screen you swipe down, choose menu, import from external storage, okay, and here you have to type the password, which is capital T and this top way. Here you can see all the original Android animation and then the animations that I prepared. So let's choose this one and let's restart to see the result. So we see my changed logo. And there's my animation. So the video has to be in MP4 format. It's really important that you respect the resolution as well. So the 720 1280 resolution. And I get a lot of questions about this launcher screen. I installed Agama. I have the Agama car launcher as a theme. I think it looks way nicer. It has a lot of options. If you want to check out how to do this, it's really easy. Check out the video that I put on top of here. And the link to that application is in that video description. Simply download it on a computer. Don't download it on the unit. Download the .apk file on the computer. Put it on a USB stick and put it directly into the USB port of the car. And you can install the full version really easily. It's a really lovely screen with a lot of options, as you can see here. Really nice screen. You can use the volume buttons here. You can go to the screensaver and really you can change all the icons that I put here. I really love this car launcher. Hope this helps you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.